approximately 66,138 pounds, the manual horizontal splitter delivers exceptional efficiency. Its innovative rotating cone design enables it to tackle even the toughest logs with ease. Additionally, the integrated saw blade ensures precise and swift cutting, streamlining the entire process for maximum productivity. The Extreme 80T pressure log splitter is built with a rugged design and a high-powered engine, delivering exceptional horsepower to meet the wood-cutting demands of post-war rural areas with efficiency and reliability. Its unmatched cutting power has made it the go-to choice for farms and mining companies, ensuring seamless log processing for various industrial needs. Have you ever seen a machine like this? This custom-built drum saw, equipped with a rotating blade system and a high-performance engine, delivers remarkable cutting precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, it effortlessly handles large logs, making wood cutting faster and more convenient than ever. The Speedy Gonzalez blazes through any obstacle with its powerful engine and superior horsepower, demonstrating remarkable handling and precision. This machine is a true testament to timeless woodcraft technology, seamlessly blending history and craftsmanship to achieve outstanding efficiency. The creation of a custom-built woodcutter that operates with such smoothness is nothing short of impressive. The McConnell portable saw, powered by a robust 25-horsepower engine, cuts wood with remarkable precision and finesse. Its engine purrs with power, exuding professionalism and efficiency, making each cut clean and effortless. The Diabolic saw, with its rapid cutting speed, is nearly unrivaled. Designed to handle both straight logs and knotty wood with ease, it delivers unmatched performance in firewood processing. Equipped with a high-powered engine and an optimized design, it ensures exceptional efficiency, making it a top choice for heavy-duty work. Lastly, the F80 Rabout machine, boasting an impressive 176 to 177 horsepower, takes wood cutting to the next level. Its immense power allows it to tackle large logs effortlessly, maximizing productivity while significantly reducing processing time. Each of these machines exemplifies cutting-edge engineering, transforming the wood-cutting process with power, speed, and precision. Are you searching for a powerful and efficient cutting solution? The Extreme V6 chainsaw is engineered for top-tier performance, featuring a high-powered engine that delivers exceptional horsepower for swift and precise cutting. Its optimized design effortlessly tackles even the toughest wood-cutting tasks, reducing effort and saving time while maintaining superior efficiency. The machine enhances efficiency and minimizes effort by streamlining tasks and delivering optimal performance. Powered by advanced technology, its 7.5 kilowatts engine, combined with a 20-inch directional force of up to 12 tons, seamlessly adjusts pressure throughout the cutting process. This intelligent design maximizes both power and precision, making it a prime example of expert craftsmanship and innovation. With a commanding roar that overcomes any challenge, the BTE crusher on the Gravel 4100 XL BT Quip demonstrates remarkable power and efficiency. Driven by a robust engine and impressive horsepower, this machine effortlessly tackles even the toughest materials, ensuring fast and forceful performance. Meanwhile, the state-of-the-art wood factory features a comprehensive sawmill system engineered for precision. Equipped with a high-powered engine, it seamlessly cuts medium-sized wood with efficiency, making it an essential asset for any lumber operation. Struggling to split wood? The X07 firewood splitter, powered by a robust engine and impressive horsepower, is the ultimate solution. This 1.8-ton machine effortlessly cuts through even the toughest logs, saving you time and effort while maximizing efficiency. The Black Splitter S1 Wood Splitter is a cutting-edge innovation designed for maximum efficiency. With its powerful engine and superior horsepower, it effortlessly splits even the toughest logs into firewood. Its compact, cone-shaped design not only enhances performance but also saves time and labor, making it an invaluable tool for forestry professionals. Another game-changer in the industry is the Belarus MTZ 1221.2. Equipped with a robust engine and impressive horsepower, it operates seamlessly in wet winter forest conditions. When paired with a custom-built large trailer, this machine excels at timber harvesting, efficiently navigating even the most demanding terrains. The truck appears to be struggling to climb the hill, weighed down by an excessive load of wood on the slippery terrain. However, with its powerful engine and an impressive 600 horsepower, it manages to conquer the challenge, demonstrating its remarkable strength and capability. The Rico RG80 is the ultimate solution for tackling large tree stumps. Equipped with a powerful engine and impressive horsepower, this machine effortlessly grinds through even the toughest oak stumps. Its precise handling ensures efficiency, making even the most challenging jobs feel simple. Designed for maximum performance, the RG80 combines raw power with an optimized structure, delivering exceptional results with ease. Whether for professional or personal use, this stump grinder is built to handle the job with precision and reliability. The OSA 270, a powerful giant saw, is designed for heavy-duty tasks in forestry and construction. Designed for woodworking and industrial sawing tasks, it delivers high performance while ensuring maximum efficiency in all working conditions. What do you think about this? This concludes our news section. Welcome to leave your thoughts in the comments area. Let's discuss it together. Welcome, don't forget to give me a like and follow. Thank for all.